Hello traders, and welcome to tradingwithbill.com on a Thursday, August 3rd, 2017. Traders, great to be with you. It is a beautiful, beautiful morning here in Pattaya, Thailand. Currently 8:16 in the morning, meaning 21:16 hours on Wall Street on a Tuesday night. Traders, it is absolutely unbelievable weather today, and I have to tell you, I was up at 5:15 this morning, couldn't sleep, opened the doors, nice cool breeze, watched the sun come up, drinking coffee by 6 a.m. on the charts, seeing what's going on. And I have to tell you, not much as far as what's going on. You know, moves are hard to come by, pips are hard to come by. You know, we got another 3 weeks of this. First week in September, hopefully we'll be back to full strength. But it is not easy. It's not easy. Your entry's got to be spot on, and you can't go walk the dog, and you can't go shopping. You got to sit in front of them charts till you get break even. You'll come back and you'll find yourself in the red. It's just the way it is. That is trading when summertime is here. And, you know, I said this about 3 weeks ago. This summer is probably the worst I've seen in a long time. But let me tell you, the New Year holiday, Christmas and New Year holiday, is the worst. What is it going to be like this year when we're seeing this in the summer? It's going to be a challenge. Those 2 weeks are deadly in the New Year holiday. It's just like, shut your computer off. It's just the way it is. All right, so we're going to take a look at some stuff today, and I do have a trade plan for you today. I don't know if it's going to work. It took me probably 30 minutes out of my 8 charts to find a trade. I mean, I tried everything, looked at higher time frames, looked at lower time frames, trying to find some entries to get us a safe trade, and I only found one, and that's 50-50, right? All right, let's see what's going on in data today. We do have some data coming out in about 15 minutes. Unfortunately, this will not be up on YouTube by then, but we do have trade balance out of the Aussie today. China has Gaxin Services PMI today. That's a mover. And in the European session, we have Spain Services PMI today. Now, there's not a lot of small countries that I watch, but I do watch Spain. If you look at what Spain has done in the last 2 years, they've really come around from a country that was in a lot of financial trouble, you know, bad situation, and they've really turned it around. Thumbs up to Spain to get back in it, and they are just thriving and doing well. So I do watch Spain's numbers because it can move the markets. All right, also we have German Services PMI, ECB Economic Bulletin today, and Market Composite PMI for July. The Great British Pound has Services PMI. That's a big number. Retail sales out of Europe today, month on month for June and year on year for June. BOE interest rate decision today. That's about London lunch. We're going to see that come out. And then BOE MPC vote unchanged. BOE total for August. BOE interest rate decision, like I said. Wow, there's a lot. Governor Carney speaks today. I don't know what he's going to say or what he can say. They're probably really happy that the dollar is weak because their currency is going up, right? Realize, like I said yesterday, these dollar pairs that are going up is not because their countries are doing so well. The euro is not doing well. The UK is not doing well, and the dollar is dumping like a rock. So that's why they're showing strength, because the dollar is so weak. All right, what do we have in U.S. today? Bloomberg Consumer Confidence. Do you really care? What? It's pretty funny. We have factory orders today, services PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing PMI. That's the big number today out of the U.S. And tomorrow morning we have retail sales out of the Aussie in Asia tomorrow. So that's what's going on there. Let's just take a look. Gold is down 0.69%. WTI crude is at 49.45, just below that 50 mark. However, Brent is still above that 52 at 52.20, hovering there, just hanging out. Good stuff. Leave it alone. Don't do anything, folks. Wait till it comes back down. 47, 48, 49, and we'll buy it again. Hopefully, I'll be trading oil futures in the next week or so, just waiting for the platform to get ready. All right, and U.S. coffee is up 1.30%. Let's take a look at indices. Come on, there we go. S&P futures negative 0.07%. Nasdaq futures 0.10% negative. Dow up 0.25%. S&P 500 VIX positive 1.88%. Nikkei 225 negative 0.27%. Dollar index positive 0.08%. Up at 92.82. Well, it's better than 92.22, right? Well, 32 it was yesterday. So we're getting there, but we're in a really bad spot with the dollar index. Folks, it's going to turn around. It is going to turn around. Just give it some time. You know, nothing lasts forever, and the dollar will get strong again. It's just going to happen. And you know, I've been a dollar bull for some time, but I also understand that this stuff happens where it just takes a beating, and it's taking a beating, right? Okay. That's about it, my friends. That's it for that. Let's get to the charts. I do have a trade today. Let's take a look. I took a shot at the pound yen today. And I got to tell you, like I said, it took me a lot of work to find a trade today. But, you know, you can see this is a leg from a butterfly here, this gray line. And it's acting as a good support and resistance line, right? So it's battled through it. So when I was doing my analysis, I was on this doji candle, and this red candle came out. It broke below it, and now we're testing it again, and now we have a red candle below it. I really want to see this 5 exponential moving average on top of price, which we're seeing, and the 20 exponential moving average, which is the red line above price, and that might happen on the next candle. And then we have a lot of junk here. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. This is not an easy trade. Probability of success in this trade is probably 30%. I mean, that's what it is. It's probably 30%. This trade does not look like it's going to work. You know, the issue is this. The pound's a little bit strong, dollar weakness. The yen has been strong. So we got strong against strong. But I think the yen is stronger than the pound. The pound's unstable. It's just all over the place. But it's strong. If you look at a 15-minute chart or a 30-minute chart, it's in an uptrend, right? So, you know, we got this strong thing, and it's not just a good thing to get into a trade. So I'm looking at this, and I'm saying, well, if we clear this 55, you know, we might be able to get down to the 200 and just take our profits. But better than that, don't take your profits, scale out of the trade, and then let this baby run down. So once you get to 145.90 or 85, this thing's going to dump like a rock, right? Wide open space down here, nothing going on. Good spot to take a trade. That's what's going on. Like I said, probability of success on this trade, 30%, maybe 40 if we have a lucky day. My hopes are really not up that high on this one. All right, let's see what's going on. Nothing in the year. You know, you want to talk about, look at this, right? Look at this. You know, there's just nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is like horrible. How do you trade this, my friends? Really, how do you trade that? You don't. You got to sit on your hands. You got to pick your war zone, right? Here's the pound. Look at this. 1, 2, we're going into our third day of absolutely sideways action. Nothing going on here. Sideways price action, right? Just nothing to do here. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone, you know? Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Here's another one. Look at this thing. What are you going to do with this, my friends? Nothing. It's just sideways since Tuesday. Wednesday. No, sorry. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here we are into Thursday. It is just nothing going on. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. You know, a lot of us trade full time, and, you know, that's our income. That's our life, right? And, you know, we got to trade, but times like this, you just got to sit on your hands. Just got to sit on your hands. You know, if you're good at news trading the data, you know, take shots at that. But it's been three days since I actually entered a live trade. I think my last live trade was on Monday and Friday, and those are my last 2 live trades. I have not hit a live trade yet, so it is what it is. Traders, thanks for being with me, and remember, Friday there is no video. So we'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Get some downtime. Get some relaxation. Get away from your desk for a little bit and enjoy your time. Traders, thanks again. TradingWithBill.com. Come visit me. See you next time. Take care now.